welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we will prepare a Ayurvedic hair oil which is good for your hair growth and dandruff treatment and any scalp allergies. So let's move to the ingredients. So first thing, we will make use of hibiscus flower petals, so that we call it as a dasavala huvu in Kannada, and then those leaves, hibiscus leaves, and then brahmi, which we call it as a vandelaga in Kannada, and then curry leaves, which we call it as a karibevu, and grass, which we call it as a karike in Kannada, and then some pieces of aloe vera. Aloe vera, everyone can identify this aloe vera, and then after that some neem leaves. So these neem leaves I have got very less. You can put some more leaves into the oil. So and then betel leaves, so which is good for your hair growth. It has all medicinal properties in it. After that, I have taken 4 to 5 gooseberries, which is called amla. I have roughly chopped it, and then 4 to 5 badams I have taken, and then 15 to 20 cloves I have taken, and then some inches of ginger I have taken, half a tablespoon of mustard seeds, and few peppercorns, and few tulsi leaves. Then some onion which I had cutted into pieces, which is good for your hair treatment, onion. And then some guava leaves, which is very good in removing the dandruff. For scalp allergies and all, guava leaves are very good. And after all these ingredients, I have taken one more ingredient which is very important one, that is methi. 2 tablespoons of methi I had soaked into the water for 2 hours. Now I'll mix all the ingredients into a mixer jar, and I will grind it to make a rough mixture of it. After we grind it, the mixture will be like this. So in this format, you can see. Here I have taken 1 liter of coconut oil, which is pure. If you take the cold pressed coconut oil, which will give you a better results. So now I'll transfer all this mixture into the oil, and then switch on the flame and let it boil for 15 minutes in a low flame, so that the oil will absorb all the medicinal properties of these ingredients which we have added. After 15 minutes, switch off the gas and strain that oil into a different vessel, and then let it cool completely. Then transfer that oil into a bottle. For better results, you should use this oil daily, or else you can use this oil twice in a week. After using the oil, please share your experiences with me. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.